Welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Still on the series of solving expressions involving indices, we are going to look at the following examples. We're going to see how fast we can do this. The first question here says we should evaluate these expressions. This is 4 1 over 2 plus 9 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Okay, using our laws of in simplifying this, we can write 4 as a power of 2. So we have this is 2 raised to the power of 2, then 1 over 2, right? We're good. Plus we can also write 9 as the power of 2. That gives us 3 raised to the power of 2 bracket minus 1 over 2. So you should be familiar with how to simplify these things now. We have discussed all of this in our previous videos. So this becomes 2 goes out with this, so we have 2 left there, plus this goes out with this, we have 3 raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, let me just put 1 for this. 2 cancel out with 2, so we have 1 left. Then 2 cancel out with 2, we have minus 1 left. So this gives me 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, plus this we can write as 1 over 3. Applying the laws of indices, okay? That a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 over a m. So if you are not familiar with the laws, you can see our videos on laws of indices, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So solving this fraction, we are going to have final answers 2 whole number 1 over 3. So that's the final answer to that question. So let's see the B part. B says 32 raised to the power of 5 times 8 to the power of minus 10. Okay, we can express 32 as a power of 2. 32 as a power of 2 is 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. Then this 5 here, this one out there. Times we can also express 8 as a power of 2. 8 as a power of 2 is 2 raised to the power of 3. That's our 8. Then times minus 10. Okay. So this gives us 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 2 raised to the power 25 times this times this is 30. So that gives us 2 raised to the power minus 30. Okay. Applying the laws of indices here, we're having the same base. We have 2, and then here we have 25 plus, because it's multiplication, you plus minus 30. So that gives us 2. 25 minus 30 is minus 5. Okay, which is the same as writing 1 over 2 raised to the power of 5. Applying this law here. Okay, and that gives us 1 over 32. Very easy. Okay, so all we need to do is just to remember our laws and apply them in each step as we progress. So if you are not familiar with the laws yet, you can go back and see our videos on laws of indices, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Let's see the last question there. It says simplify. It says simplify the square root of 3a cubed b C times 6a squared b squared c cubed all over 2abc raised to the power 4. So all of the items are under the square root. So what we need to do, I'll just write that again. So we have 3a cubed bc times 6a squared b squared c cubed all over 2abc raised to the power 4. All we have here is just multiplication and division, so it's very easy to solve. All we need to do is say 3 times 6 divided by 2. We'll write that here. 3 times 6 divided by 2 times, we take the a, we have a cubed times a squared, a cubed times a squared divided by a. I don't think the space will be enough, let me just write here. 3 times 6 divided by 2 times a squared cube times a squared divided by a times, what do I have again? B times b squared divided by b, and then times c times c cubed divided by c raised to the power 4, all in square root. So we will simplify them separately. So this is 3 times 6 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9 times, this a cubed times a squared is a raised to the power 5. Using the laws of indices, this is a 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, 4. So that gives us a raised to the power 4. This is b goes out with b, so we have times b raised to the power of 2. Then here we have 1 plus 3, 4. C4 divided by C4 is 1. All in the square root. So this gives us 9 times a raised to the power 4 times b raised to the power 2 all raised to the power half. Okay, the 1 is no more because 1 times 9 is still 9. Alright, so the square root is power half. We have discussed that before. So we can simplify so that this becomes, just trying to show you, but you already know that the square root of 9 is 3. You can solve that straight. But then let's just see how to simplify this. We have 9, then this half will affect 9, which is 1 over 2, times, this is a raised to the power 4 times 1 over 2. So this a, not 9, take note. And then times, this is b raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2. Alright, so here we have 3, 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 times, 1 over 2 times 4 times 1 over 2 is 4 times 1 over 2 is 2. 2 times 1 over 2 is 1. So finally we have 2 cancel 2 here, so we have 3, which is 3 a squared. B raised to power 1 is also b. Okay. 2 cancel 2, we have 3 raised to power 1 left. 3 raised to power 1 is 3 a squared b. So these are the results. Very simple. Just try to remember the laws. That is the basic thing. Remember the laws, follow them, and apply them to problems. You certainly get a result, no matter how complex that question may look like. Okay, so this will be the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to follow this page. See you in our next video. We'll be looking at equations involving indices. It's called exponential equations. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.